with Ecoline windows, what we get is not just a window manufacturer, but they're doing the complete installation, removal, cleanup, and the finishing work right down to the trims. So if this was my place, I would be very happy with this installation. So Chris with the Calgary Home Inspector Corp, and this is an improved window installation with Ecoline windows.
Everything looks really good today. I'm very impressed with what Ecoline is doing here. I'm Ian from Pointe Home Inspection, and I'm recommending Ecoline windows for your next project.
Chris here with the Calgary Home Inspector Corp. This is our second Ecoline window installation we've reviewed, and once again, happy and satisfied with the install and the upgrade. I think these homeowners are going to look forward to their new windows.
So we're just finishing up our window inspection here of the replacement windows performed by Ecoline today. Everything looks good. We've had a look at the older windows and why the reasons we were replacing them. We looked at the flashing that was installed. We make sure that the sill is in good shape. There's no water damage or any sort of deterioration to the existing frames. We watched the installers put the new windows in, put the foam insulation around, make sure that it's nicely installed. There's no opportunities for any air leakages. And then we watch the installers also seal up the outside of the windows, and everything looks good. I'm satisfied with what I've seen today.
Here we have an installed window. Let's take a look at how they've done it. If they've shimmed the window to make sure it's nice and level, that'll help with the ease of function. They've got a good amount of spray foam around the whole thing to prevent drafty windows and keep it nice and sealed up. This casement window's got great function with dual locking casement window function for extra security and locking in the seal. Great job. Ecoline windows, top shelf approved.
Just finishing up our bay window installation here with Ecoline windows. They're the only company I would recommend if you're doing a project like this. We saw today how complicated it is to not only remove the window, but install the new windows in place and make sure that they're going to be nice and tight and air sealed and not going to have any issues. So these guys are doing a great job. I'm Ian with Pointe Home Inspection, and I'll see you guys next time.